How to create email templates in Gmail. So first of all, you log into your Gmail account. This is very useful if you have the same email you keep sending over and over again and you have a template. It'll be easier for you to populate it out. Now, first of all, when you're in a Gmail account, you need to enable the settings. And how do you do that? You go to your Gmail account, go to top right, you can see the gear icon. Click on the gear icon, click on see all settings. And then you can go all the way to top right, you can see the word advanced. Just click on the word advanced and you can see templates. So by default, it is disabled. So you have to enable it. So you click on enable and save changes. Alright, it should be good to go, but just double confirm. Same place, go to the gear icon, see all settings. Once. Okay, it's enabled. Now you want to create a template, so there's no place for you to create. All you have to do is just compose it and you will save there. Click on the word compose, then you can just put whatever email subject that you want. Alright, a little bit about signature. So for here, I didn't have any signature, just put best regards. But if you have a signature being saved in Gmail already, I have a video on how to create signatures. You can view it somewhere in the link here. Alright, and if you have that set up already, then you don't put the signature inside a template, because or not, when you populate your template and you populate the signature together in the new email, you have to do two signatures and you have to remove it, and it's going to be very difficult. So when you have a signature ready, just skip the signature part. Okay, so for example, you have this email as a template. All you have to do next is go to your bottom right, and you can see there's a 3 dot, more options. Just click on it. You can see the word template here. Just click on the word template, and you can say save draft as template. Just save, and then you can see save as new template. So put a template in it, click on save. Alright, and it's saved. Now for example, you want to make a change. For example, you see there's a comma here, you're supposed to put a dot. So I just put a dot, and you want to change the template itself. All you have to do is go back to the same place, the 3 dots, go to templates, go to save draft as templates, and then you can override the template or save as new template. So for now, I want to override this. Just click override, thank you, and save. And then you will override the template. Now, how do you use the template? Let me just compose another email. Just click compose. And you can see this email is template, and now I have another email here. So it's very easy. Same place, just click on the 3 dot at the bottom, go to templates, click on this template, then it will appear here automatically, including the subject, etc. Okay. Now, how you want to delete the template? For example, you have too many templates, you don't like the template. Same place as well. Just click on the 3 dots, go to templates, go to delete template, pick the template that you want to delete, click on it, and this will delete your save template. Alright, so that's how easily you can create an email template in Gmail. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And with that, thank you so much, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.